Sorry about that. I don't know what the fuck just happened. I don't know if the internet went out or if I just got taken off live stream. I don't know what the hell just happened, but hopefully it's not a weird copyright strike. I have no idea what the fuck is going on. But anyway, I'm not done streaming yet. Still gonna be going on for another hour, 30 minutes to an hour. So continue fixing this and finishing this up. Vehicle. This is where we create the weapon holder. I guess you watch this when they come back to the stream. This is gonna be the part where I was working on the code where you're able to kill goats now and harvest meat from them. I'm working on adding that part so that when you're near a goat's corpse and you double click the knife in your inventory, it will create a weapon holder on the corpse of that goat with the meat. I should probably delete the goat's corpse actually. Yeah, that's why we don't want this code yet. This is all tentative code. I'm just kind of winging it, seeing what works. So we'll delete the corpse. That's the easiest way to filter out an already harvested goat corpse. Check my emails. I don't have any notifications that I was getting taken down for any reason, so it must have been my internet shitting itself, which is weird. It's strong. Okay, weapon holder, add an item. We added the meat to the weapon holder. Set pause to the position of the corpse. Enable simulation. We'll keep that out for now. Alright. I think this should work. I don't know what the fuck happened. I might have hit a hotkey that shuts the stream down, which usually is my asterisk key on the numpad. Maybe I hit that by accident. Spawn the animals roughly in the same spot. Alright. Does the code still create the weapon holder? Fuck. I think I forgot to take it out. Yeah, shit. Alright, let me comment that out. am I doing? Saving the mission. Maybe I alt-tabbed and hit the fucking stop stream button like an asshole. God damn it. Just bothering me. Oh well. You had a couple people watching. Oh well, now I'm all by myself. We only got 30 more minutes to go, so it's alright. At least it happened at the end. Looks like the goats are over here. Give myself a knife real quick. Hopefully those AI draw the zombies' attention. Here's my knife. Script error. Nearest object. Type array. Expected number string. Oh yeah, because okay. I'm defining a radius, but it's not necessary. Shit. Nearest. Select command. Only work if it's an array. Right, select. Yeah, it has to be an array. Fuck. I'll just do this. Nearest object animal. Player distance underscore x is less than 4. Less than or equal to 3. I don't know how optimized that command is, but whatever. We just want to get this shit to work. Still getting a script there. Type object, expected team member. Hmm. Object, expected team member. Oh, the agent over here. Okay. Server fuck something up. The trigger code. I must have did a typo. God damn it. And up. I don't know what is broken. Here, distance agent underscore X. I don't know what that bug was. I don't have the script error now. Hmm. I think animals spawned in this one. Oh no, they're right there. Okay. No weapon holder, so that's good. Object expected team member. Agent underscore X. Is the... object. Guess it's not an agent. I don't know why set mouse position command is not working in my inventory code. That's also fucking me up. Wanted to set my mouse position to be the center of the screen, and it's not doing it. So it's really annoying. I think the reason why I close the stream out is when I open up the inventory, my fucking cursor, it set my cursor over the button on OBS. Alright. Been spawning the animals in the exact same spot, roughly. No weapon holder. Good, good, good. Oh, you know what? Let me not do this yet. Let me be further away. Oops. Nothing to use this on. Alright, good. That's working as intended. I get near this dead goat. Harvesting meat. See how long this takes. I don't know if there's an end to this animation. My head goes crazy. There you go. Press W a bunch of times to move. There's meat in there. Why is it not the line of sight thing? Yeah, I need to improve that. I mean, I'm still able to access it if you get in the right spot. I got 2 meat. Weapon holder should have automatically deleted itself. Inventory. Oh, I didn't delete the... Why didn't I delete the goat? Oh, because I don't have that code to do it. Delete vehicle corpse. Created 1 meat. I should... Excuse me. We want to do round. We want there to always be at least 1 meat. If you have the tools capable of fucking harvesting meat. And actually the number of meat you get should depend on the class name of the animal. So type of cursor object. Go random F, alright. Do a switch. The type of command is inconsistent in a sensitivity. So I always like to use to lower ANSI. ANSI. I actually don't need these parentheses. Case. Oop, random F. What's the other animal? Sheep. Random F. Rabbit. Rabbit F. Oh. See what other animals do we got in this list? Got chickens, dogs. We didn't do dogs yet. Finn. Another one. Finn is... what is that one? Agent. A chicken or a dog? Player. That's dog. Cool looking dog. Oh, wait, why is it sitting? Okay, okay. I was gonna say it's not animating. And shepherd skin. What else do I need to do? Delete the corpse. Oh yeah, tie it in now, so... See if I keep spamming W. Alright, so you can actually break out of the animation. Thing to use this on. How's that possible? Is it... Okay, now it's working. Hmm. I'll probably have to use nearest objects. Anyway. Hmm. Search through the play actions. Crouch. Player crouch. Oh, player crouch. That's why. Let's see. My knife again. I'm just trying to find ways to break out of the animation. Not breaking out. What the fuck? Hmm. Player stand. Seems to do it. Try that again. Breaks out too quickly. Hmm. What other actions can we use? For gutting the animal. Medic start up. Medic start right side. Able to break out of it too easily though. Hmm. A medic. Can't break out of that one, but Could try switch action. Nah. Switch action's an immediate thing. We do play action now. Alright. Medic stop. Medic. Medic start. And medic stop. Okay, we'll do that. Medic stop looks a lot better. So, medic stop. See, I think there's a command to pull the current state that they're in, like an animation state or a gesture state. Medic start. Player gesture state. Works. And the other one, weapon holder. Right, so now I have it so that it checks the animation state or gesture state. When you're using play action, you want to use gesture state instead of animation state. Probably check for both actually. Animation state. Alright. As long as he's still performing the medic animation 10 seconds later, then it'll cancel the animation, delete the corpse, add the weapon holder with meat. That's it. Give you a little text notification that you're done. One issue is that it can spam the dialogue, though. Like, if you could spam left click, it may... Hang on, let's see. Next start. Let me actually do that up here. Close dialogue. 0. I do 602. Okay. Let's do that. 2. If I don't close the inventory screen, then you can spam left click it. I don't want that, because then you can spam weapon holders. Alright, get back out. We're going to do a little test. This test will be a lot better. Sure, I don't have any missing code. Looks solid to me. Alright. What I'll work on tomorrow is a bit more on the inventory system where you press I and it pops up the 2D images over the weapon holders and gathers the weapon holders. And I need to make it start incorporating the custom items now. Because right now, the inventory system, when you press I and it shows the 2D markers over the weapon holders in your screen's view, it uses the display name of the first item it finds, that weapon holder. And if it's a custom items don't have display names. So I need to do a switch check based on the class name of the magazine to display whatever name I want. Give you an example. So I drop this magazine right here. Press I. Works in third person. It works in first. Click on it. There's my little weapon holder with the magazine. Now if I drop a... Damn it. Damn it. Hey, I gotta fix that. That's massively annoying. If I drop meat... See, it picks up the weapon holder, but it has no name. That's because it's a custom item that I defined that I need to trick the inventory system into putting a name there. If Independence fighting Blue 4 or something. Nope. Just killing zombies. Right, so looking at this here. Making sure it doesn't spawn too many animals. Probably reduce the number of animals that do spawn One, for optimization, but two, you don't want to make it too easy to get food. Uh-oh. Is he stuck, or is it... I don't have a knife. Let me add one real quick. Alright, so if I cancel it out. I think there is a bug though, so if I was really clever, I quickly... Now it should create 2 meats. No, I didn't do it. It's not as easy as I thought. Alright. And it does close the dialogue when I double click it, so that's awesome. Wait, why does it... It's kicking me out of the animation for no reason. 2 seconds in. Start. I think it's because of the gear action. When you close your inventory, your guy does this. You know, he puts it... Stops hanging onto the gun. Yeah, surprise breaking it. No, I don't know if that's the reason. So I close the dialogue first. There is a delay, though. If I play action now, would that work? Time is at 2:30. All right, let's get into the... Be about that time. I've been drinking a lot of coffee, though, at this hour, so I'm kind of not that tired. Probably will be ending the stream pretty soon, though. I'll most likely delete this section of the stream just because fucking I don't know how my stream ended earlier. I don't know if I did something wrong on YouTube. I don't know if the music's bad or I got no notifications from YouTube, so hopefully it's just my internet just decided to shit itself for a second. Streaming at a pretty low bitrate, ultra low bandwidth, so shouldn't be a factor. Sure, what happened? Give myself a knife. Canceling it out too fast. What the fuck? Player, play, action, gear. See what happens. I don't know why it's canceling out. Is it because I have a gun? Because that's raised? Let me see. It might be because the weapon is raised. And yeah, what the fuck? And the medic stop doesn't execute until 10 seconds later. And that's only if the gesture state is true. Um. Hmm. How can I prevent him from breaking out? Sometimes you can do this. You just play the action twice. See what happens. Weird. Works fine in the debug window, but not in the script. I'm assuming it's because of the dialogue. It closes after. I think that's what's happening. Is there's a slight delay where it plays the action. Even though I close the dialogue first, there's like a weird delay in Arma for some reason where it doesn't want to close the gear action yet. It does that after my play action. So the workaround. Hey, what is that? A new subscriber? Let's see what's going on. Helps if I have Streamlabs open. Events. DJ Essek, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. What can I do? Can I add a wait until? I probably wouldn't be good. Fucking damn it. I don't want to add a wait until. This is in a unscheduled environment. Obviously not this part. Once you begin, I could put this part in there. That's true. I guess I could do that. It's an easy fix. Wait until. Not dialogue. Not dialogue will probably return true instantly. It's the fucking action. So, gesture player. I gotta find out what the action is when you're in the gear mode. Zero one is when you're standing. 02 is when you're crouched. Or 02 is when you're standing. 0, 1 is standing, 2 is crouched, there's 3 when you're prone. Let's see. False. The fuck? Oh. Changing that shit. We could do in gesture state player, and then we could do an in check. Convenient is that it is all lowercase. I don't need to use to lower. Gesture state player. Prone. Crouched. Checking inventory. Don't even know if this is what I need. The command I need. And then standing. Add this script command to my list. This is one of the newer script commands I added. You check the state of a play action or a gesture. G. Gesture state. Wait until gesture state player is not in that list, which should probably be instant. None. I don't know how well this will work. It's not the best workaround. I'll probably have to put a whole list of animations in there to check for. But let's see here. Play in multiplayer. Yeah, I guess we're ready to test it out. Hey, you got 3 likes on this stream. I don't know where. I guess while I work on this, I'll also say that yesterday I worked on the server side save progression and client side save progression. It's now the client side, or not client side. It's not. There's actually no client side save progression. The server saves everything, so you won't have hackers and shit. Well, you may have hackers, but players won't be able to edit their own profile. File. There was an issue in DayZ, I think. Because it's server side, it's not as easy. It's doable, just not as doable. As long as you have verified signatures and all that stuff, should be okay. Battle lie, all that shit. Anyway. Alright, let's test this out. Do I have my knife? Nope, let me add a knife. Alright. Harvest the meat. See what happens. Does it cancel the animation? Oh, hey, we fixed it for now. Thank God. Hey, 4 likes. Thank you. Likes, like I said, help the algorithm. Keeps my channel from falling into the abyss. It did not cancel out. 10 seconds has gone by. And it has not... Supposed to play this action. Play action now. See what's going on. Is this false? Really? Really? The fuck? Alright, gesture... State player. This does appear to be different. Oh wait, hang on. It's literally the exact same one. Gesture state player is equal to this. Yes, that is correct. It should return true. Or animation state player is equal to this. If either of these are true, it does this stuff. It's not doing. It's returning false. What did I do wrong? Let's try this. Just one line. Oops. We're missing a semicolon right here. False. Medic 0. Oh, he's cycling through fucking animations. You gotta be shitting me. Okay. That's the problem. Alright. Alright. Alright then. That's an easier fix. That's actually way easier. Fuck animation state. Don't think we need that. Looked like there was up to 5. The more optimized way to do this, more efficient way to have this animation list, since it's just a number that's changing at the end, is just have, you know, the string and then for each index or whatever plus 1. That's the fix. Now it's gonna work. The in command works very similar to is equal to. It's case sensitive, and it returns a Boolean variable, so true or false. Oh, whoop. Did I forget it? Yeah, I thought I had forgotten a bracket. That's what I thought. Knew I forgot it. Ooh, it's coming together though. This mission's getting there. Got hunting in now. Got added a new custom item, the knife. Got the meat. It's not pretty yet. That'll probably be the last stage, is to make it look really cool. Which is where... I'm not gonna rant about all that, but... I may waste my time and create layouts for all these fucking houses. Have, like, you know, randomly generated blood on walls and trash and on the floors, random boarded up windows and stuff like that. I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna take a lot of time. But I may do it. It may not be as bad as my furniture script, because the furniture script, I'm furnishing the houses out. Whereas in an apocalypse, you know, usually a lot of that shit's gonna be gone. So I may not have to put in as many objects as I do with the regular furniture script. You're not gonna have TVs and shit, or you may have couches, but we'll loot the shit out of houses. So I'm gonna find a house just to show you how well furnished they are. Randomly generates well, it doesn't randomly generate the furniture, but the loot is random. Finds houses around the player, spawns in objects to the houses. These are all super simple objects, so it's optimized. Certain objects are not super simple, like the TV. It has to be a disabled simulation vehicle object, so that way the texture can appear. So if it's daytime, TV has a screen on it, and if it's nighttime, demo that. Back. Oh, I didn't wait long enough. Hang on. Teleport over there for a second. Alright, now we pop back in. And the TV's gonna be off. Like little details like that. I don't know if anyone even noticed, but again, this furniture script is intended for like Altus, like, you know, for insurgency missions or whatever. I don't know, whatever the fuck mission you want to make. It's not really for the zombie stuff. The loot thing is kind of more recent. Now that I'm adding loot, there was no loot in that house. I haven't configured loot for that one, but I have loot on this one. It spawns an air conditioner on the window, a couch in here with a TV remote on it. Loot right here. And this is where the weapon holders aren't being found because of that fucking stupid surface is invisible surface here. It's the line is intersecting it. Got a shotgun round off that shelf. That's pretty much it in this house. Anyway, where is animals? Probably here. Yep. The hell? The round went through its head and bounced up. Killed that one. Never seen that before. Let me get a little bit closer. I don't have a knife, so let me add a knife real quick. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Script error, but it worked. It detected the animations in play. Underscore type. Oh. It's the wrong fucking variable name. Alright. This is gonna be the final test, and this is gonna be the one that works. No, I know I fixed it now. So now the next functionality I need to have is being able to create a campfire. That way you can actually cook the food. Not sure what materials I'll make you find to build one. Probably matches and something else. Let's see, what items do we got in the list? How many more items can we add? This is meat. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more items that we can add. This one right here gives players that annoying DLC prompt. So I'll use this in an extreme case, but I will probably not use this class name. I just have it here because I just might have to use it, but I probably won't use it. Fake magazine is the only one that is considered a DLC item that is hidden in the game or whatever, not configured fully. It would be not if they got rid of that DLC prompt, then I'll have 11 more I could define as items. So let's see, what is the next item that we can add? I have a list on my phone. Let's see what we got to do here. Again, there's a lot of tools that I'm going to have, but those won't be things that you'll put in your inventory. That'll be 3D objects that you equip on your person. You physically bring around with you. Okay, matches. Duct tape, maybe. I don't know. I guess duct tape has a lot of uses, actually, so we could probably make that an equipable item. Fork. One of the ideas I had is if you have a fork, it increases how fast you eat or how much food you're able to eat. I don't know. Just trying to think of ideas to make things useful. I don't have much in this list. Oh yeah, wires for wiring things. I want to have a... You'll be able to find a generator eventually, and you could hook it up to a power line and then to your house. You could I would like to have a thing like a dead matter where you could reclaim a house and then use the generators and stuff like that to repower it. I think Project Zomboid has that too. So it would just be cool to have little things like that. Adding purpose to these little items. What else? Because the point of these stupid survival games and these game modes is to keep you busy in the game. And if there's not much to do, not much to build up, not much progress that can be made or whatever, then it gets boring very fast, especially once you've reached that point. That's actually going to be the purpose of the AI settlements that I'm going to be setting up. That you'll be able to interact with them. There's different factions. They'll give you missions and tasks and stuff like that. You could trade with them, recruit them. Not sure how I'll keep persistent recruitable AI, but it'll something I do want to do. So the NPC settlements hopefully will drastically expand on the replayability of these. So not only can you reclaim houses, you could build your own base, and you could also join a faction, do their missions, kill them all, whatever the fuck you want. There's a lot more to do than DayZ, or at least that's the goal. Crafting system is going to be really rudimentary, though. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. I'm not trying to go too crazy. I'm trying to innovate in creative ways of how you can base build. Because what I've seen in most games and game modes is like you just build walls and storage. That's it. Maybe some defensive things, but that's it. Which I think is kind of gay. I think if I have it so you can actually connect to the power grid and even make that disableable, water, electricity and shit like that, I think that would be fucking awesome. But who knows? I think it's doable. I think it's actually easy to do. These are get these, what do you fucking call these? Power lines. You can get the power lines using nearest terrain objects, and if you search specifically for this class name or whatever category it's under, it shouldn't be too bad, especially when you search within a short radius. And typically these houses are close to a power line, and if they have no power lines, then you use a generator, and that's how you would power up your house or base. It's not just houses. You also and built bases. I think I have code right here I could show you. This is code I wrote in 2 seconds. I'm not even joking. I wrote this after I got off work. It took me 2 minutes to write this. Oops. I called it. I have to spawn it. Hang on. Spawn the code. This is pretty much the code I'll use for placing objects. So let's say you have an interface. You select what object you want to place. As long as you have the materials and the tools to build it, it'll then let you select that as a thing. And look, it even follows the terrain. It does collide with other objects, so you could technically be a shithead and build inside of houses. Or whatever. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. And it follows the terrain too, so we'll see how it goes. Essentially, it would be like that. Super easy, basic code, I mean. And I'm not using the attach to command, because with that, I guess you probably could use surface normal. But I'm spamming the set pause command, and these are, what do you call it? These are local vehicles until they're actually placed down. Actually, I didn't put that code in yet, but once you are okay with where you want to place it, you just left click, and then it deletes the item that is quote attached to you, and then recreates it as an actual global object where you wanted it placed. And yeah, literally 2 seconds if I can write it. So it's got a lot of issues. Like I said, you can't put it in houses. It doesn't take the terrain, the elevation into consideration. So if you go up the stairs, you can't do multiple level building. Now, I did that on purpose for now, because it's that gets a lot more complicated. Let's see, what else do I gotta do? What time is it? 3 o'clock? Shit. I do need to go. I don't want to, though. Oh yeah, we're gonna test the meat. I forgot about that. Please do that. Start showing off code like people give a shit. Like this. Alright. Over here. Get rid of that meat so I don't get confused. There's so many things I want to do with this mission. It's gonna be pretty cool. Gonna do the zombie hordes. Gonna do a lot more with the NPC settlements. All right, let's butcher this shit. Wait a few seconds. Script error. Oh, because of the font. That's right. Yep. Another easy fix. That should work. I made a good amount of progress in this second half of the stream, so I'll probably keep it up. I'm not gonna delete it. People like to watch this shit, so let me check my inventory. I did stream longer than I wanted to. I know people hate watching streams that are past 2 hours, but better luck next time. First of all, let's make sure I can't loot that. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Heat harvested. Hey, I deleted the goat. Press I. It still doesn't recognize the weapon holder, though. Bad. There is no weapon holder. What the fuck? Maybe it didn't. It may not have spawned. Let me double check. Corpse. It passes a corpse, so it knows what that is. Yep. Font. It may not have given it any. Oh. It might not have spawned any meat inside of the weapon holder, so that's possibly why. I don't know how it would have done that, but there's no meat in this one. Then I gotta check something. Maybe it's not pulling the class name. Okay. I didn't break out of the animation. Fuck. Oh, and I'm dead. Almost dead. Harvested. I see a weapon holder. Treat myself real quick. Alright, there we go. Oh, why it's not picking up that weapon holder though? I'm bleeding out. Need a bandage. I gotta set the model space position higher, so let's do corpse model to world 0.5. .25 should be fair. But there's meat in here though, that's the biggest thing. Okay, I got my meat, yay. Not hungry enough to eat it. Do one more test. This will be the last one, this time for sure. Okay. Hey, and there we go. I can see the package of meat. There it is. All right. So you find in the weapon holder. I'm able to click on it. Awesome. Yay, it's working. Fuck yes. That took so long to code all this shit. Well, not really that long. This evening, but it took a lot longer than I thought it would. I'm about to wrap this up. We don't need this shit anymore. I'm gonna leave this here in case I decide to go back and use it. Still need to do a lot of testing on the dedicated server to make sure the weapon holders are actually global. They should be. They're created with the create vehicle command. Previously, I was not doing it that way. Trying to think if there's anything else I need to do. I think I'll save those for tomorrow. Tomorrow I need to work more on the inventory system again. It's super close to being done, at least done enough. And then I'm gonna work on the melee weapon script, which will also, it's not just melee weapons, but it's also tools, any 3D objects. So carrying jerry cans for gas, or fucking axe to whack a zombie with, or chop a tree down with, multi-purpose kind of objects. That'll be pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna go clean up a little bit of code and go to sleep. I don't think you guys want to watch me do this shit, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. I've been streaming for doesn't say, but I think it was 3 hours and 40 minutes the last one, and hour and 26, so about 4 or 5 hours. It's way longer than I thought I'd be streaming for. So I don't know if you guys prefer the longer streams or the short ones. I try to keep it down to 2.5 hours, but hopefully the stream was enjoyable and educational. If it was, great, like it. Helps the algorithm out, helps these streams not be as dead as they are. And I'm not trying to blow up, but it's nice when there's actually somebody watching, at least. So, yeah, that's all I got. See you again tomorrow. I'll be streaming around the same time. What is that? Gonna be around midnight on weekdays. So, and I stream for about 2 hours, usually. I streamed a little bit earlier today. But yeah, anyway, I'm done talking. Thank you all again for watching. Thanks for the likes and all that good shit. Guys, take care. Rock out.